Hey, house friends, how are you doing? It's Mona here with Kickstart House, and today we are going to talk about 3 reasons why you should DIY your home renovations and 3 reasons why you should not. If you've been thinking about remodeling your home or doing a build project and considering doing it yourself, this video is going to help either solidify that decision for you or have you second guessing whether that's the right decision for you. Either way, we're looking for alignment here for the best process and path for you to achieve your project. If you're not familiar with what Kickstart House does, we are a homeowner support community and we're here to help give you clarity and coaching to navigate your home renovation process. This journey is going to be different for everyone. So, we're looking to give you the tools and strategies to support you in a way where you can advocate for yourself and feel empowered in the process as the matron or patron of construction. Don't forget to hit subscribe or submit any questions you have in the comment section because I love to hear from you. Let's get down to our topic today. Let's go over 3 reasons why it's a good idea to DIY your project. First reason being you're capable of doing it. Perhaps you've always been a handy person. Maybe you've done construction projects in the past or build projects, and you're feeling fairly confident that you can tackle this project too. That's a good place to start, where you already have a skill set and you know how to apply it. That would be reason number one why you may want to DIY your own project. Reason number two, a second reason why it's a good idea for you to DIY your own project is that you actually enjoy it. Now, not everyone's going to enjoy the process of doing it yourself, but if you are capable of doing it and you actually enjoy learning, researching, planning, and doing a project correctly, then you're on track for a DIY type of home improvement project. And if you have a friend, family member, or a loved one who you're doing the project with, you can actually build some really great memories from tackling a home project. So, for first time homeowners, if you're feeling confident and you're feeling capable and you know you got the skills, so far DIY is the right decision for you. But let's look at reason number three. Reason number three why do it yourself is a good method for you is that you need or want to save money. You're on a budget and you have limited funds, and you know you can stretch your dollars more by doing that labor yourself and putting in the sweat equity. Now, I have a caveat here. We just named 3 reasons why do it yourself may be a good idea for you. But if saving money is the only reason or the primary reason why you're choosing to do it yourself, then I want to caution you because the desire to save money is in itself not enough to be the only good reason, I should say, why you should attempt a DIY project. Even though you may be saving money on a home improvement project, mistakes can be very costly. And if you don't know what you're doing, you may end up causing damage or things that have to be repaired. And that cost to repair those damages can far exceed the amount of money that you saved to begin with. Proceed with do it yourself if you want to save money, in addition to enjoying the aspect of it being fun. And also, if you already have the skill set or feel fairly confident in your research, planning, and your execution skills. So basically, if you're not a handy person to begin with and you're feeling hesitant about doing your project as a DIY project, then listen to those signals because DIY may not be the right path for you. With that, let's look at 3 reasons why DIY would not be a good choice for you. Attempting to do a do it yourself home renovation or home remodel project is not the right decision for you if your only reason is to save money. And I can't emphasize this enough because the desire to save money, to be on a budget, is not enough to overcome the skill set and the complications that construction entails. So if you don't already have the skills to do so or the research and planning capabilities to execute that to its full extent and the commitment for it, then the desire to save money is simply not enough. And the do it yourself route would not be good for your situation. But let's look at reason number two. Reason number two why a do it yourself project would not be the best for your situation is if you tend to have a backlog of projects in your life, anyways. Some people have really great intentions and are great starters to things. But if you're one of these people who likes to start a lot of projects, but don't really have a great track record of finishing them, then I'm going to ask you to do some soul searching and really ask yourself if this is something you can afford to do. Can you afford to open up and start a big, complicated home project and not finish it? How long do you want to actually live in construction? What happens if you encounter a hurdle and you don't know what to do next? What happens if you have to pause or the tools or the knowledge or supplies aren't available to you? Can you afford the delay and do you have a cushion to buffer you out until that work is done? This is where the answer is going to be different for everybody. Look at your own history of how you tend to approach projects in general. If you are a great starter but not a good finisher, then the DIY route may not be for you. Reason number three why you should not get into a DIY project is if you have the resources to afford not to do DIY. It's as simple as this. If you've got the money to hire somebody else and that can make your life easier, then why not do that? Think about what that right decision is for you and your family at this moment in time. For many people, when they were younger, a first time homeowner, or perhaps without kids, a do it yourself home renovation was great fun to do and a great way to use up your time. But if you've got a lot of stuff going on in your life right now, if you've got kids and work, other obligations, other responsibilities, and you have the funds and resources to do so, hiring out may be the right choice for you right now. And that absolutely is a reason why you should not try to DIY it. Why add something else to the plate when you don't have to? Your mental health matters, and you have to look at things holistically. It's not purely just about the financials, it's not purely only about the budget. Because ultimately, if you're improving your home for yourself, for your family, it's for your own well being. And your well being is not just tied to the physical space or the final product you're going to build, it's also tied to the experience and the journey you're going to go through to get there. So if your construction project is going to take a few weeks, a few months, major projects right now are taking a year or two easily, that's a good length of time in your life that you need to look to. Where do you want your time commitments to go? Because if you've got the resources, it's really not just about the money, it's about your well being. And you have to decide for your well being if you're best served with a do it yourself project or a project where you hire out and hire a team. Time is money, and you don't have to do it all. You don't have to pile it on your plate if you've got that option. So if you think you're leaning towards hiring out versus do it yourself, then you're going to want to watch my next video where we're going to delve a little bit deeper into what it means to hire out and whether that's the right decision for you. If you've been getting value out of my video, be sure to subscribe to support this channel and share with others who may benefit from this. Also, send me comments because I love to hear from you and hear about what questions and struggles I may be able to help you with in your home renovation journey as a homeowner. This video is part of a three-part series on hiring out versus DIY. So if you missed my first video, head on back there to see the appeal of each one and stay tuned for my next video where we're going to talk a bit more about hiring out and what it means to be a patron of construction and how to advocate for yourself. Because I'm all about aligning your needs with your project and helping you feel empowered in the process. I'll see you next time.